Hey folks, today we're going to talk about the speed of the mill. What speed you should run your cutter head at for certain materials. Alright, so whatever you're using on the mill, whether it be a big cutter or a small cutter, the material you use will determine how fast you should run your end mill. So we have a formula that we use that will help us calculate what speed we should run this at. If we run a material, or if we run our cutter head too fast on a hard material, it's going to destroy our end mill. So we want to have the life of our end mills last a long time. We want to make sure that we are good to our tools and we're not abusing them, because frankly they cost a lot of money and we don't want to just go through them like they're candy. So what formula do we have? Well, that one right up there. We are going to use the formula 4 times the cutting speed divided by the diameter. So we also have a list of cutting speeds for different types of metal. So whatever metal I'm using, that's the cutting speed that I'm going to plug into that formula. So the number 4 is a constant. It's going to be that way. I'm not sure exactly why. It's just the constant number that we always use. So it's going to be 4 times the cutting speed divided by the diameter of our end mill. Now if we were doing a turning operation on a lathe, it'd be the diameter of our piece on the lathe. Where on the mill, we're going by the diameter of our end mill. So this end mill right here, putting the calipers on it, it measures 0.625, which would be 5/8 of an inch. So I'm going to say 4 times the cutting speed divided by 0.625. Now as we look at our cutting speeds, we'll see that we have different speeds for different materials. And it doesn't have to be exactly that. So if I figure it out and it says I need to run it at a certain speed, but changing my speed on my mill, I only have a range, that's okay. Get it close, go under. Okay, don't go over and get it too fast for that. Try to go under it, and then you should be just fine. Alright, so now you should be able to calculate what speed you're going to run your end mill at, and now you'll be able to put a piece of material in there and run it at the proper speed. Alright, so make sure you work hard, because hard work is valuable and you'll never regret working hard. Thanks for watching.